Japan is located in East Asia and has an area of around 377,000 square kilometers, making it slightly larger than Germany. With around 125 million inhabitants, the country has been shrinking for several years and is increasingly characterized by an aging population. The de facto head of state of the parliamentary monarchy is the emperor. The seat of government and capital is Tokyo. The highly developed country has been the second largest economy in the world for decades, but has since been overtaken by China. The yen is the national currency, and the official language of Japan is Japanese, which is spoken as a native language by 99% of the population. The language is written using Chinese characters, although the two languages are not related, and two-syllabic scripts. The name of Japan is rendered with the characters sun and origin, which is why, from the continent's point of view, it is referred to as the land of the rising sun. The most important religions are Buddhism, which came to the country from China starting in the 6th century, and Shintoism, a polytheistic nature religion. Both religions have been influenced each other over the centuries and are not mutually exclusive, so many Japanese feel they belong to Buddhism and Shintoism at the same time. Japan is quite mountainous overall, and the highest mountains are the Japanese Alps. This is where the national mountain of Japan is located, the Fujisan, which is revered as a sanctuary and at 3,775 meters is the highest mountain in the country. 4 tectonic plates meet in Japan, which is why volcanic activity and earthquakes are not uncommon. The Sakurajima volcano in the southwest of the country, for example, is particularly active. In addition, several devastating earthquakes have occurred in the past century, and the next major earthquake is only a matter of time. Among the benefits of volcanic activity are the hot springs, the so-called onsen, which enjoy great popularity as thermal baths. In addition to the main island of Honshu and the larger islands such as Hokkaido in the north of Shikoku and Kyushu in the southwest, the country's territory also includes the Ryukyu Islands, including Okinawa, which extend to the coast of Taiwan. In addition, various smaller islands in the Pacific belong to Japan. The Senkaku Islands are controlled by Japan, but also claimed by China and Taiwan, leading to potential conflict between Japan and China in particular. The Kuril Islands are controlled by Russia since the end of World War II, but Japan still claims the southernmost island. Due to the large north-south extension of Japan, the country has different climate zones. The north and parts of the central mountains have a cool temperate climate, especially on Hokkaido. The winters are cold and long. The parts of the Tohoku region that are geared towards the Sea of Japan experience heavy snowfall in winter. Much of the rest of the country has a humid subtropical climate, with year-round precipitation, hot summers, and cool winters. From August to October, the southern coast is regularly hit by typhoons. The Ryukyu Islands are subtropical and tropical in the south. Wildlife in Japan includes both bears and monkeys. Due to the mountainous nature of the country, the population is concentrated in valleys and especially the coastal zones and the few plains. Major cities include Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, followed by Fukuoka, Hiroshima, Sendai, and Sapporo. Especially around Tokyo, a huge urban area has developed, which includes other cities with millions of inhabitants like Kawasaki, Yokohama, or Saitama. This capital region, also known as the Kanto region, has a population of around 37 million, making it the largest city in the world. The second most important metropolitan region is known as Keihanshin and includes Osaka, Kyoto, and Kobe. It hosts around 19 million people. The Chukyo metropolitan area, with Nagoya as its center, has around 9 million inhabitants, and the Fukuoka Kita-Kyushu metropolitan area about 5 million. There is a long-standing trend of rural exodus in Japan, which has led to a high degree of urbanization. The approximately 1,200 kilometers long and densely populated corridor from Fukuoka to the eastern suburbs of Tokyo, also known as Taiheiyo, is home to over 60% of Japan's population and concentrates a significant portion of the country's economic power. A future episode will focus on the economy and other aspects of Japan. Thanks for watching. Until next time.